Memory is more than a single entity. There are several types of memory. There's sensory memory, which buffer the input for your eyes and your ears. There's semantic memory, your knowledge of words. There's working memory, all the items you're aware of at the moment. There's implicit memory, what people call muscle memory. Episodic memory, the stories you keep about your life, and many other types as well. There are multiple memory systems, and each one works somewhat independent of the others. They all work together, but when you lose a portion of your memory, you typically lose only one aspect, one of the systems, or one of the subsystems. Memory works by encoding information, storing a representation of it, and then retrieving it when you want it. We don't keep an exact copy of our experience. We make a representation of it. When you're walking across the field, you don't go grass, 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 flower, grass, grass, grass. You look at it and you go, ooh, that's really pretty. You store somewhere a little representation, like notes, that say, ooh. So the next time you want to remember it, you bring out the notes and you generate them. So we remember. There's a lot of talk about how to improve memory. Everyone claims to have the latest vitamin or the latest technique or game that's going to improve your memory. If you want to have a great memory, start with great genes and don't get sick. If you have good genetics and good health, your memory will last a very long time. If either one of those has a problem, then your memory is not going to do as well. Mnemonics are techniques that you can use to help organize the information to make it easier to remember. But no matter what you do, there's going to be some forgetting. We forget knowledge in a rather rapid fashion, but we forget how to do things, our implicit memories, on a more linear basis. Every day you forget how to ride a bicycle a little bit more, but it doesn't take long when you get back on a bicycle to recover the skills that you had. Forgetting is normal. Amnesia is not. Amnesia comes in two types. The inability to remember what happened just before the car crash, retrograde amnesia, and the inability to remember what came just after the car crash, which is antegrade amnesia. Both of these are caused by damage to the hippocampus. Hippocampus is a structure that's sort of C-shaped that starts in the temporal lobes and bend toward each other and reach into the frontal lobes. The hippocampi do many things. One of them is to help move things from short-term to long-term memory, but they're also involved in spatial reasoning and other tasks. Memory disorders are usually the result of traumatic brain injury, stroke, or disease.